This is Harry Vogel, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. 2032 Olympics. No doubt we're still in lots of debt from the Sydney Olympics in 2000, and yet off goes Palaszczuk to Japan to secure the 2032 Olympics. And yet a bloke whose dying mother in Queensland can't even drive across the border to see her, and she dies. Australia is in the biggest debt situation since the Great Depression and World War II. And yet these people lash and slash and throw money around with this bloody waste of time AIS, Institute of Sport, and want their bloody Olympics. As Billy Connolly said, for starters, the Olympics is a little bit pompous and ceremonial and bullshitty for him, and he wondered if a real person one day might be able to get a ticket instead of just the wealthy and famous. But here we go, Palaszczuk, let's have the Olympics. Meanwhile, Australia's going down the tube. Fucking Olympics. Start taking care of the real issues in this country, starting with COVID, you fucking idiots. This is Harry Vogel.